Welcome back to another walk around video at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest reviews and walk arounds of Toyota vehicles available in Canada and also our pre-owned inventory. And today we're looking at pre-owned certified 2022 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road in gray metallic color. This is a mid-size pickup truck, body on the frame pickup truck that comes with the 3.5 liter V6 naturally aspirated engine and automatic transmission. This powertrain produces 278 horsepower, and 265 pound-feet of torque, and also has 5,800 pounds of towing capacity. This particular TRD off-road Tacoma comes with the TRD grille, LED day running lamps, fog lamps. We have underbody protection and recovery hooks underneath there. Toyota safety sense sensors integrated into the grille and adaptive cruise control sensor integrated into the windshield. Block heater outlet integrated into the bumper. Also, we have 3M full paint protection kit applied on this Tacoma. We see its invisible film here on the hood, fenders, bumper, roof pillars, a front part of the roof, exterior mirrors, and door cups to protect our beautiful paint from rock chips and sand and stones and any other potential paint damages. Here on the side we can see black over fenders, 17-inch wheels with Falken Wildpeak all-terrain tires, and very nice aftermarket Icon bronze alloy rims. Also, this Tacoma TRD off-road comes with the Bilstein off-road shock absorbers. On the side here we can see aftermarket bridge type roof railings installed on the roof, and also roof integrated shark fin antenna. Privacy rear windows with tint, body color door handles, 5-foot cargo box with tonneau cover, and our door handles come with the keyless entry. Tacoma chrome badging and exterior mirrors have integrated turning lights in them. This is our key fob. In order to lock or unlock this Tacoma without actual key, we just simply press these two lines on the door handle to lock it and put your hand in the door handle to unlock it as long as the key fob is not too far from the vehicle. Here on the bottom we can see a rocker protection application. Upon entry into this Tacoma, we can see door seals that will protect our paint from common boot scratches. Driver's door is equipped with the soft padding material inserts, silver door handle, powered windows with auto up and down for driver and front passenger, power doors, window lock, and power exterior mirror adjustment, speaker bottle holders. And in the driver's cockpit area, we have tilted and telescopic steering wheel. On the dash, we can find traction control off button, bed lights, automatic high beams, and 120-volt outlet at the back. On the floor, all-weather rubber Toyota mats. In front of me, I have 4-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel. Let's start our Tacoma and driver informational gauge cluster in front of me with the 4-inch digital screen. Right now we can see some Tacoma graphics in it. And looking at odometer rating, we still have quite a bit of a Toyota Canada warranty left on this pickup truck as well, which is good, some peace of mind for the new owner. And here's our fuel economy. We can flip through different settings in here like navigation, audio controls, trip information with tire pressure monitoring system, pitch and roll indicators, and our adaptive cruise control settings as well, messages and safety settings like pre-collision system and lane departure alert with steering assist. On the left side, audio controls with the voice intelligent assistant for Siri, Google, or Toyota. Hands-free buttons right here. On the right side, driver informational gauge cluster controls right here, and adaptive cruise control switch behind the steering wheel, but a front sonar sensor on the steering wheel and a lane departure alert on off button. Moving to the center of the dash, here's our air vents, a Toyota multimedia touchscreen with embedded navigation. Also, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, all this available here. Just flip through the settings and connect your phone through the Bluetooth. We have also Sirius XM and HD radio here. Down below, HVAC digital screen for our climate control, and it's a dual automatic climate control. Heated front seats, hazard light button, and moving from the left to the right, push button start for the engine, part-time four-wheel drive controls, heated exterior mirror. This is our HVAC controls. Front windshield de-icer and air conditioner are here. Below them, we can find the ECT power button, sliding rear glass, also USB charging ports and 12-volt connector, storage pocket probably for the phone or other devices with LED illumination. Cup holders, gear shifter knob with manual parking brake, storage compartment, another cup holder, central console armrest with the storage bin, USB and USB-C charging ports there as well. And here we can find walking glove box and convenient handle for your front passenger, automatically dimming rear view mirror with the HomeLink universal garage door openers, overhead console including multi-terrain select and crawl control that will be available on 4 lows, and Toyota SOS Safety Connect button for roadside and emergency assistance, rear differential lock, map lights for driver and front passenger, sun visor, has integrated mirror and lights, and a microphone to talk to our Toyota Life agent. Seats in this Tacoma made of high quality fabric material with the pattern and contrast stitching. We have pretty big headrests in here. Driver's seat is 8-way power adjustable with 2-way lumbar support, and front passenger seat is manually adjustable. Rear passenger area including children's safety locks in each door, power window buttons, speaker and bottle holders, storage pocket behind the front passenger seat, 2 cup holders for your rear passengers. Seats are folding 60-40 to find some storage space here. And same with this cushion, it's removable, sliding, and there you can find a storage locking storage compartment as well, and all-weather rubber mats here also. Moving to the back, we can see privacy rear glass with tint, a soft tonneau cover, TRD off-road badging. This is our tail. We have Tacoma embossed lettering in the tailgate with V6 badge and a handle for the tailgate with Toyota badging, backup camera, and it's also could be locked. Convenient step in a rear bumper with anti-slip surface. 2 lights for better visibility to connect your trailer, for example. We have a towing package in here with a towing hitch receiver with the Toyota cab, 4 and 7 pin connector. Underneath we can find full-size spare tire. And as I mentioned, towing capacity is 6,800 pounds. Here's our fully composite resin bed that comes with this truck standard. It also comes with the bed mat, hooks to securing your cargo, and 120 volt outlet and storage box right there. Here's your carpet mats, original mud flaps, and we have adjustable tie-down clips stored here, and a block heater cord is there as well. Let's have a last look at this beautiful pre-owned certified 2022 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road that we have here in stock. Comes with a very nice aftermarket rims and some accessories, full 3M paint protection kit application on the body, plenty of USB and USB-C charging ports, Toyota multimedia touchscreen with a Sirius XM, HD radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, embedded navigation, heated front seats for the driver and the front passenger. Toyota Safety Sense with automatic high beams, multi-terrain select, crawl control, and rear differential lock for your future off-road adventures. Stop by to test drive this Tacoma today before it's gone. And don't forget to like this video if it was valuable for you. Stop by at 137 Avenue and St. Albert Trail at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, the big Toyota dealership.